Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you the video of a bird sanctuary, Mysore. This is very beautiful place, and the person who love nature, they are going to definitely love this place. The person who are from Mysore, they know about this, but the person they don't know about this, I am going to share some information about this place. This bird sanctuary is located on Bangalore-Mysore highway, 18 km away from Mysore, spread it across an area of 40 acres. It was built between 1645 to 1648 by the king of Mysore. This islet, originally numbering 25, soon started attracting birds. The ornithologist Satim Ali observed that the islets formed an important nesting ground for a large variety of birds and informed the king of Mysore to declare the area a protected area in 1940. The sanctuary is currently maintained by the Forest Department of Karnataka, and there are lots of activity like ranger guided boats. Tours of the islets are available throughout the day and are a good way to watch birds, crocodiles, others, bats and other variety of birds. There is no lodging within the sanctuary, so visitors especially they stay over at Mysore or at the same place that is called Srirangapatnam. The season for visiting this place or this park is friends near June to November, because that is the time of nesting session of the birds or the water birds. Friends, personally I like this place. It's very beautiful, clean, green and less crowded place. We visited it in the morning June. There are lots of birds, probably because it was in nesting time, and the boat ride is must do. They take you close to the island and you can spot crocodiles also and birds very nicely, so you can watch the birds sitting on the tree closely by taking boat ride. But it's thrilling to see the crocodiles passing near to the boats. In evening you will find soothing climate over there, and the density and variety of birds is just stunning. So friends, I have shared this video in my last uploads and I have asked you that where is this place. So again, this is at Mysore, and this is a lake, Karanji Lake, and this lake is located in the city of Mysore, and this is popular for picnic spot. A lot of species were there, boat riding is there, and in fact some zoo is also there, and nearby this place you can find one museum also. But the best part of this place is that this is really a natural place, and these peacocks are open, they are not in the cage, and they are, when you will visit there, so you can see that they are roaming here and there, and you can take photographs with them. And if you're going in the month of monsoon, so definitely they will dance. So this is the best thing which you can enjoy there. So friends, if you are visiting there, so this is a place, a no-miss place of a nature lover when you will visit at Mysore. So definitely you should go in this two place. So that's all for this video friend, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video with your friends, especially who are going to visit Mysore. And if you want to know something else about the Mysore, so you can comment me and ask question from me. Definitely I'll answer you for that question. Till then friends, just take care of yourself. Bye bye.